Israel is one of the countries with the highest life expectancy in the world. According to the 2014 statistics from the World Health Organization, Israel nationals live slightly longer than 80 years. The figure is only outmatched by Iceland, Switzerland, and Australia. A walk around the streets of Tel Aviv or Jerusalem illustrates this startling statistic.
First one is that people work here until the age of 67. Some of them even continue for the age of 70, and this is in the governmental or public companies. If they are independent, they could work until 75 even, sometime more.
In Israel, all citizens above 18 are conscripted into the army after finishing high school or college. The period for compulsory service is 3 years for men and 2 for women.
Well, in Israel, most of the young people start to work at the age of 24, 25, because they have to do 3 years army. Then usually they take 1 year off and they start going to the university at the age of 22, 23.
Sigalet says this has been made possible because of the country's efficient health system.
In the area of medical condition, we have a lot of medicines today that are giving on a chronic basis for the elderly.
But the lifestyle of the majority of the Israelis has also eased this country's military training. Most people are fitness freaks. I took a walk on the streets along the Mediterranean Sea and was astounded at the number of people jogging. However, these senior citizens are often battling a range of diseases that affect their productivity.
The most common, as I mentioned before, is high blood pressure, high sugar, high level of fats in the blood, cholesterol.
Now, according to medics that we've talked to here in Israel, argue that one of the things that has led to the long life of most of the Israelites is the fact that there's lots of public awareness within the community and also in the media. Now this, the people of Israel, of course, have taken it so seriously that most of them, for the women now live more than 85 years and for the men more than 80 years, contrary to what is in Uganda. Some Ugandan legislators on a tour of Israel believe this model can be transferred back home given the country's relatively low expectancy of 55 years.
An old woman of nearly 100 years has all the teeth. But back at home, a young man, a young girl of 20, 25 years has no teeth, just because we don't take good care of our hygiene.
The lawmakers are advocating for the introduction of a national health insurance scheme to turn around Uganda's healthcare system.
Here, everybody is insured, whether you are working or not working. And I've also appreciated how private companies can also secure insurance for their workers, and then the government will top up.
Maurice Ochol, NTV, Tel Aviv.